Alright, I've got an iPhone here, and it's having issues charging. Can you see it blinking? And I'm going to show you how I fix mine. Alright, so I'm no pro, no electronics specialist at all, but here we go. We've got an iPhone. It's got about, 40% battery. And if I plug it in, got one hand here, let me show you what we're given. 44% battery. Let me zoom in. And you can see there's like a bad connection or something going on. Maybe with the phone, maybe with the cord. Heck, maybe with the adapter, I don't know. But that's not normal. It's supposed to stay, that little electric bolt, the lightning bolt on, not flicker back and forth. So that is an issue. Now, if I turn the cord and just rotate it upside down and then plug it back in, I've got that problem solved, but it does stop charging after a couple of minutes. So it looked like it was charging, but after a minute or two, it stops charging for some reason. So definitely something weird going on. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. So, we're going to use a little bit of deduction here. Problem solving and process of elimination. So check out the cord first of all. I'm just doing a visual inspection here. And if you zoom in closely, check out this black, almost like paint or pen or marker streak on the end of the charging cable. And if you flip it over, that one seems to be clear. That seems unusual to me, and it does not like scrape off with my fingernail, so I don't think it's an actual piece of dirt or anything. So I wonder if that has anything to do with it. I honestly don't know. I don't know anything about electronics. So we're going to unplug this, and I'm going to get a new cord. Same wall adapter, but a new cord. And this cord, you can see, does not have that black blemish on either side. So let's pop out the old one. And we'll plug the new cord into, it's actually not, it's an old cord as well, but new in the case of testing, for testing purposes here. Plug it into the wall adapter, the same wall adapter that I was using. Because if the problem still exists, it's probably not the cord, it might be the phone or the wall adapter. And there we go, look, check it out. Lightning bolt on. And I'm going to keep it plugged in for several minutes. You don't have to watch those several minutes, but that is staying actually charged. Now let me flip it over to make sure, or to see what's up there. Yep, that seems to be good and working. Now, I don't know why that little black blemish was created, if indeed that was the problem or the source of the problem, right? But I'm going to continue to monitor this and consider this just a bad cord. And hopefully this has helped you troubleshoot. Thanks.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.